Yosh, let's go! Ikuse minasan. Ikuseyo. Ah, mate. Okay. Okay, this video game contains flashing lights. Okay. Yes. So hello guys, Azuki15 here and welcome to my gameplay here dito sa That's Not My Neighbor. So, ang alam ko dito sa larong ito is papasukin mo lang yung neighbors, tapos ire-report yung mga doppelganger or yung mga alam niyo na, yung mga halimaw dito. So, nakita ko itong game na ito sa sa YouTube. Then sinerch sa Play Store din yun. Boom, meron na. So, I'm gonna try this thing. Okay, let's play. Arcade mode. Uy, meron pala ganito. I'm not sure though. Okay. So, sa arcade mode, the plangers you let in don't kill you immediately but at the end of the run. Get a score rank at the end of the run according to your performance. Possibility if you find an completed Chester squeeze. Ano to? So, ito pala yung arcade mode. Tapos, iba pang is wala pa. Kasi, sige, let's try. The following short film is a production of DDD. With educational fines. Uy, ano yun, gagi? Natakot ako dun na. I really hate that slag. Okay. Okay, so, nasabi ko na yan kanina. So, already know that thing. Oo, totoo yan. Okay, so, yun yung titigan din natin. Oo. Okay. To pay close attention to the prayers of your neighbors. Yes. I'm gonna note that. Remember to fill out the checklist for each neighbor. I think mahirap na part eh. You can't miss any detail because it could be death for you and your neighbors. Okay, this is structured office. Now we are going to explain how it works. Alam ko na iba kasi dapat ko dun sa YouTube. I'm gonna skip na. Or I'm not sure though. Sige, iyan na lang natin. Panoorin na lang natin. Let's say, newbie wannabe. Okay. Fill out the checklist take when release in front of you. Okay. So this is nice. This is quite nice, mate. There's some documents for this hatch. Okay. And then, if you determine that the individual is the planker, then allow it to build it with these buttons. Okay, so yung buttons talaga din, titignan ko rin to, kasi mahirap na. Otherwise, if you determine that this is the fact of the planker, press the emergency button and call 3312. Okay. So, once na pinindot yung emergency button, wala nang bawian to. To communicate with the DDD or any part with your video is telephone in front of you. Okay, so your job is really important, so make sure you do it right. Okay.
Huh?
This is noted, boy. But you congratulate the dormant Mount Henry. Okay. It wasn't that he did the excellent job, but he was the only doorman in the area who didn't get killed by the planners. Be like Henry. But better. So, gagawin natin yung trabaho ni Henry, pero, let's say, version 2.0 tayo. Oh, thank you. As you could see, this is, okay, your job is for the entry neighbors in your building. Okay. Each day will be a list of individuals who will request entry to the building. Okay. It is possible that there are individuals who request entry and aren't on the list. Oo, meron talaga. You mark on checklist that they are not on the list and proceed to request individual. Okay. Also, you must verify that the ID entry records correct and have the respective DTD logo. This is where you can also check the expiration on the IDs. Okay, yung ano pala ID, yung ano pala. But remember, it's February 1995. 1955, okay. Actually, good luck. Okay. Oh my god, ito na nga yung ano natin. Hi, wait lang, I'm gonna fix camera. Wait lang I'm gonna okay, continue. Ayun, okay na. Okay, so wait. So checklist, hindi, mali. Wait, you forgot to show your ID? Hey, parang iba to It's kind of Susie. Who are you? Okay, so eto nandito sa ano ko is yun yung mga nasa list. Okay. Who are you then? Ay, wait nga lang. I'm gonna check yan. Okay. Ay, Robertsky. Hey. Tapos yung apartment phone number is 2668. Two, 6, 8. No answer. Ay, wait nga lang. Go back. 2668. Oh, 2668 nga. Wait. Entry request. Ay, ito pala. 12,1973. Okay. Ang hirap pala nito, gagi. Sobrang hirap pala nito. Damn, bro. Robert Wichman. Okay. Okay. So, Bali, sorry Okay, so did the entry request, tapos ito, Fishman, okay. So, 2668. 2, 6, 6, 8. Waiting for an answer? Okay. Robertsky Fish. My brother is not at home. Okay. So, well then. So, meron siyang ID. Tapos, appearance niya. Ano naman din. Tapos, ito request. No. I had to check that he caught me. Sige na nga, papasukin na nga kita. Ang kulit eh. Wait, for the colors, it sounds okay. Ay, sige, okay lang to kasi it's kinda, ano naman. Okay. Continue natin. Natawa ko dun Oh, hello. Good afternoon. So, okay. So, you're not on the list. ID? Mali. I'm sorry. Yes, I forgot to show my ID. Okay. Oh, nice. So, it's an ID. Tapos, entry request. I'm not in today's list. Yes. Wala ka dito. I think you're in error. I should be on the list. Wait. Look at the list again. Okay. Ang hirap pala nito, gagi. Hey, who are you? Okay. 5, 1, 2, 3. 5, 1, 2, 3. So, I'm gonna call muna. Tapos yun na. Waiting for an answer. Okay. Oh, wait. My husband and I are in the... Okay. Wait, he said doppelganger. Tama naman yung ano ko. Yo, bro. It's Mitch. 92. Okay. Yo, dude. I'm gonna, I think I'm gonna call the, 3, 1, 2. Kasi, siya eh, nandun yung husband niya, tapos, yun nga. Holy damn. Okay. Sige, I'm gonna wait muna. Para ano. Kasi he's a doppelganger. Okay, thank you then. He's a doppelganger. Tapos, Okay. Next. Hello. Who are you? Celine? Wait, Celine?
Ha? Oo. Ito. Oh. Tubig ka muna.
Wait. Okay. He's,
Ha?
ano ba ito? Nandito ako dito.
Ha?
Okay, so, who are you? Bale, 6996. 6, 9, 9, 6. So, I'm gonna call muna. A different answer. Okay. Hello. Not at home. Wait, so wala yung sister niya, tapos, wait nga, ano ba na oh. So, meron siyang ID. Nice. 9514. 514. Okay. Okay. So, meron siyang ID sa appearance, entry request. Meron, pero wala siyang I'm not at today list because I have to leave due to emergency at work. Okay. So, papasukin na lang kita. Yan. Kasi, wala daw yung sister niya. So, let's see. Oy! Yo, si Milkman. Bro! Milkman! Yo, si Milkman, let's go! Gagi! Oh. 4, 1, 2, 2. Ay, mali. Wait, mali ako ng denial. Mali. Magkano? R4122 nga. Okay. 4, 1, 2, 2. Okay. Speaking. Okay. Oh, thank you then. Hey, nandun siya. So, which means, ayo. Halata na to. Halata na to. May ID siya. Tapos may entry request. Pero yung appearance niya, blood? Oo, may blood ka, boy. Wala, di mo kumakan dyan. You kind of milk. Scarlet milk. Scarlet milk. Hindi ka. Today's list. Okay. I'm gonna call, DDD. Kasi it's freaking obvious na pinatay ka eh. Si puro blood, everything else, yun. Pero that's the first time na naka-encounter tayo na ni Milkman na more on blood. Pero, gusto kong maka-encounter ng ng iba pang, alam mo na, doppelgangers na halata na masyado ganun. Okay, thank you then. Cleaning protocol completed. Clear job. Okay, let's go. So, makakaya ko ba tong ES to? Yung record ko is S. Let's see. Oh, hello. You're not on the list. Wait, ano to? What is the meaningful life of university? Ano to? Meaningful life? I don't know. I don't know, dude. That's incorrect. Wait, ano to? Goodbye. Wait, ano yun? Ano sagot doon? Di ko alam. Ay, ano yun? Ay, hello sa one viewers natin. So, ano yun? Bro, I don't get it, dude. Oh, so, nandito siya. So, Albert Vasquez, okay? Okay, you're not resident, okay? Nice. So, ano siya? Ano yun? Bro, hindi ko alam kung ano sagot sa sa tanong niya kanina na yung, what is the meaning of life and everything else? I don't know, dude. Okay, so, where are they exactly? Nice. F102? 102, so ito. So, which means, 2668 ata yun. So, tingnan natin. Okay. Basic man speaking. Branch na ito. Okay. Siya nga. Okay. Okay. Sorry kung matagal ako. So, ID and then the appearance and the entry request. Yes. Everything in order? Yes. Let's go. I'm gonna, I'm gonna speed that thing, boy. I'm gonna speed out. Hey! Good afternoon. Hey, Mia Stone. Nice, may siya, DDD. Wait, tingnan natin appearance. So, meron talaga siyang freckles sa mukha. Okay. What are you, Mia Stone? Okay. F31. So, 1425. Okay, so tingnan natin. May different answer. Okay, let's see. Hello, for Captain speaking. Yes, may friend na to. Okay. Okay. Is she back? Okay, so you're here. Okay. ID. Yes, excellent. Yes, gonna ayun na. Speedy. I think one game lang ata ako dito. Basta matapos ko yung Yo, what the heck is this? Yo, what the slag is this? If ever dreamed this clown, every night all over the world, hundreds of people see this clown in their dreams. If this clown appeared in your dreams, don't play any game with him. If you want. So what in the pit is this thing? Okay, that's kind of weird. Okay, that's kind of weird. Oh. Hey, you're not on the list. You're not on the list. Pero wala siya dito. Baka minsan din kasi may mga emergency, alam niyo na. So, what? F103? 5513. Okay, I'm gonna dial him. Okay, answer. What the frag? What the swag? I'm gonna call it thing. Matik na, matik na. Gagi! Ano yun? Tama! Okay, I'm gonna wait talaga. Sheesh. Damn. Nice. Okay. Thank you. I think I'm gonna, ano nito? I'm gonna search that thing. Natural Games Engineering ID. Hey. Well. Wait, you're not Wait, who are you? Wait. Wait, natatandaan ko to since okay, okay. Okay, yung ID, tas yung entry request. Sus, di mo ako malaloko, boy. Kasi nandun siya eh. Nandun siya, tapos tinanong niya sa akin if bumalik na ba yung fiancé niya. So, yun. Hindi mo ako mauuto, boy. Kasi andun siya eh. Cleaning protocol complete. Oh, nice. Oh, thank you then. Ano ba, hindi ko alam kung ilang deploymers na yung nahuli natin. So, yan natin. Hey. Oh, okay. Good afternoon. Where's your ID? Okay. Ano floor niya ito? Wait lang I'm gonna search that guy. $42.58. Para makasigurado tayo, kaya tatawagan natin yung bawal floor. Hehe. Okay, so nandito siya. Is it back? So, nandito siya sa akin. Okay, the ID, the appearance, and then entry request. Yes, let's go. So, who's next? Hello. Who is Stinky? Wait, ID tapos si entry request. To visit your mother. Okay. Okay. Wait, Stinky. 11:52. Tatawagin ko muna to. Even na siya yung nasa list. Okay. Okay, so ID, wait lang, appearance, big leaf, small chiclet. Oh. Titignan pala natin yung ano, yung mga appearance. O, tignan. Round face, short hair. Okay. So, everything else. Okay, entry request. No? Okay. Next. Holy crap, dude. Who's talking? Wait, hello, good afternoon. Okay. Second floor. It's open? Okay, 1346. Parang dito ata mapapractice yung ano yung kung sino man yung mga ano to. Anastasia, okay? My mother's not at home. Whatever. Gagi. Wait. Naruhodo. Right, left. I do left. I do breakfast. Okay. 1973. Okay. Ano yun? Ano yun? Sige na. Ay, ganano niya. Natamad na ako eh. Oh, what the heck? Hayop ka na nga, gugulat ako sa'yo. Bro, yo, what the heck is that thing? Okay, so,
Saan yung case ng ano mo?
obviously, obvious na to. Sobrang obvious na to. Gagi, what the heck? Nakakilabot na ang putik. Seryoso boy, nakakilabot yun. You have contacted DDD. A group of agents has been sent to your building. Yes.
Ano, gagamitin mo yung laptop? Hoy.
Kaya ba, parang hinin na anong putik. Pero, wait lang na, uy. Ay, sinat to?
Gagamitin mo ba?
Oo.
Saan mo lang?
Wait lang. Okay. Bakit may inano to? Ba't may hinubad? Okay, so good afternoon. Yes. Rico. Ito mo na. Kaya pala nakita ko, bakit ano ang hina ng ano po ko? Okay, so you're not in the lake shop. Naruhodo. So, you're not here then. Wait lang ah. Mag-open na muna ako ng Facebook. Wait lang guys. Wait lang. 17. Okay, so entry request, okay. Kasi, okay. 33 40 to 42. Sige. So, tingnan natin. Hello, McCoy. Okay, speaking. Okay. My son is not at home. Is he back? Okay. So, mayroon ng emergency. Let's see. Wait na nga. So, may emergency pala ito. So, okay. Sige, papasukin na lang kita. I hope tama itong nagawa ko. I hope. Kasi... Wait, are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? Another one? Another one, dude. Another one, the blanker? Dude. So, tingnan natin. Okay. At may puro doppelganger naman yung iba. You could continue your job. Well, ang tagal man eh, tumatapos. Iinip na ako. Okay, so, tingnan natin. Next. Oh, what the heck? Wait, what the frag happened? Wait, sino yun? Doppels you allow in. Sino yun? Wait! Ano? Wait lang ah. Wala akong alala, gagi. Nagulat ako doon. Sira ulo. So, 6 yung doppelgangers na nakuha natin. Eh, nahuli pala. Tapos, neighbor skill, 0. That's the good part. Kaso, doppels you allow in 1. Isa, gagi. Sayang. Pero, this is a good start. Kasi, isa lang yun. Kala ko, no, boy. Inayos ko, wait. Alahanin ko nga kung ano yung pinasok ko nun. Ay, baka yung babae. Or, hala, gagi. Ito pa naman yung, Sarap to! Kaso, nagigigil ako. So, Naruhodo. So, yung S kasi yung pinamataas. Tapos yung F yung pinakamababa. Times you survive. Times skill 1. Okay. Achievements. Would be murdered. Okay. Okay. So, meron pala itong mga achievements. Dito sa Better than Henry. Oh, ito yung rank S. Wait na. Paano yung mga pindot yung iba pa? Bro, that's that's nice. Ang ganda na yung larong to. Let's say, itong larong to is parang matandaan mo yung bawat person kung sino siya. Tapos, parang big, tawag ito? Big experience din. Tapos, practice na rin para alam mo na, kung gusto mo makipaghalubilo, tapos tatandaan yung bawat mukha, tapos yung bawat details, I think this is the best game na lalaruin mo, kasi alahanin mo kung ano yung ginawa nila, kung ano yung chismis na nandun sa kanila, ganun. Okay din, itong larong to. Nice. So, thank you sa panonood, guys, and I think maglalaro ako ulit neto para makakuha ko ng S rank dito sa game na ito. S rank na record. So guys, thank you sa panonood guys, and bye bye. Have a great day guys.